Hi, professionals. So I am going to try and cover Module 1 regarding gaining access to your articles. I did just post another announcement, but hopefully this visual from Module 1, I'm thinking this should help you guys. So let me see if this works. Let me click on this particular article. Yeah, and see, it comes right up for me. And I believe it's because I just activated it, or I clicked on the article and it took me to the Rasmussen University Library, and I was able to actually type in the link, the article name, I should say. Let me try this one too. Yep. It does the same here for me too. So, like I said, I would just recommend that you guys, once clicking here, for me and for you too, it should do the same thing. But of course, I can't show you because now I did it correctly the first time, and now all the articles come up. So if you're like totally new to that, click on this from here. It's not gonna take you here just as yet. You're gonna get like a box and it says something about like Rasmussen University Library. It's actually hyperlinked. So what I did there, I clicked on it and then it took me to another page. It took me to the actual library, and then it gave me a search bar. So I typed in the actual article name and then that article came up. Once I did that, all of my articles started to appear. So my weekly articles. So hopefully that helps. I mean, it's really not walking you through it like how I wanted to show you guys, like what happened for me, but verbally I am telling you the steps. Okay, so click on your article. From here you're going to have like another page that says something about the university. Click on that. It's hyperlinked. It's like highlighted in blue. Click on that. It'll take you to the actual library, and then I put in the search bar the name of the article, and then it came up. Okay, hopefully that helps too. So again, if you guys are still struggling with this, please contact PSC, as they are very helpful with helping us with any technical issues that we may have. Okay, guys, thank you for listening.